Imagine losing your Instagram account overnight. Your password suddenly stops working. Your email gets changed, and someone else now controls your account. Sounds scary, right? But this happens every single day to thousands of people around the world. And in most cases, the reason is surprisingly simple. Weak passwords, phishing attacks, fake links, and lack of cybersecurity awareness. So in today's video, we're going deep into the real world of cybersecurity. You'll learn how hackers steal accounts, how passwords get cracked, what phishing actually is, how social engineering works, and most importantly, how to protect yourself online. This is a complete beginner-friendly cybersecurity video. Let's begin. First, let's understand something important. Most hacking today does not happen like movies. Hackers usually don't sit in dark rooms, magically breaking into systems in seconds. Real hacking is often about exploiting human mistakes. And one of the biggest mistakes people make online is using weak passwords. Think about it. How many people still use passwords like 123456, password, their own birthday, or their own name? Millions. Hackers know this. That's why they use automated tools that can try millions of password combinations within seconds. This type of attack is called a brute force attack. The tool keeps trying combinations until the correct password is found, and weak passwords get cracked very quickly. Now imagine this. Someone uses the password Canth123 for Instagram, Gmail, Facebook, and everything else. Now if one website gets hacked, every account becomes vulnerable. This is why cybersecurity experts always say, never reuse passwords. Every important account should have a unique password. Let's talk about data breaches. A data breach happens when hackers steal user data from websites or companies. Sometimes millions of emails and passwords leak online. And these leaked passwords are often sold or shared on hacker forums. Hackers then use a technique called credential stuffing. This means they take leaked usernames and passwords and try them on different websites. For example, if your Instagram and Gmail share the same password, one leaked password can destroy both accounts. This is why password security is extremely important. So what makes a strong password? A strong password should be long, contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid simple words or personal information. And here's another important thing. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds another security layer. Even if someone steals your password, they still need another verification code to enter your account. This simple feature stops many attacks. Now let's talk about phishing. Phishing is one of the most dangerous cyber attacks today. Why? Because it targets human psychology. Hackers create fake websites or messages that look real. For example, you receive an email saying, your Instagram account will be suspended. Log in immediately. You panic. You click the link. The website looks exactly like Instagram. You enter your username and password, and boom! The hacker just stole your login information. Phishing attacks also happen through WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, SMS messages, and even phone calls. Scammers often create urgency or fear to make victims react quickly. That's why cybersecurity awareness matters. Before clicking any link, stop, check carefully, and think twice. Now let's talk about malware. Malware means malicious software designed to harm or spy on devices. There are different types of malware: viruses, trojans, spyware, ransomware, keyloggers, and remote access trojans. Hackers spread malware through fake apps, cracked software, email attachments, and suspicious downloads. Imagine downloading a free premium app from a random website. The app installs normally, but secretly, malware also installs in the background. Now the attacker may monitor your activity, steal passwords, access your webcam, or control your device remotely. This is why downloading cracked software is dangerous. Nothing online is truly free. Sometimes the real price is your privacy. Now let's talk about fake Wi-Fi attacks. Hackers can create fake Wi-Fi networks that look completely real. For example, airport free Wi-Fi, cafe guest Wi-Fi, hotel internet. Most people connect without checking if the network is official. Once connected, hackers may monitor internet activity or redirect users to fake websites. Public Wi-Fi is convenient, but it can also be risky. If possible, use mobile data, use a VPN, or use trusted networks. And avoid sensitive accounts on public networks. Now, let's discuss social engineering. This is when hackers manipulate people instead of hacking technology. Sometimes, attackers pretend to be bank employees, technical support, or trusted companies. They create panic and pressure victims emotionally. For example, your bank account is under attack. Share the OTP immediately. The victim panics and shares the OTP, and within minutes, money disappears. The scary part? No advanced hacking tools were needed. Just manipulation. That's why cybersecurity is not only technical. Awareness is your strongest defense. Now let's talk about smartphones. Many people think phones are safer than computers. That's not true. Phones can also be hacked through malicious apps, unsafe APK files, fake links, and phishing attacks. Some apps request dangerous permissions like camera access, microphone access, or full storage access. Always think carefully before installing apps. Only download apps from trusted sources, and keep your phone updated. Software updates often fix important security vulnerabilities. Now let's discuss the dark web. The internet has different layers. The surface web includes websites like Google, YouTube, and Instagram. The deep web contains private systems like emails and banking portals. And the dark web is a hidden part of the internet accessed using tools like Tor browser. Some people use it for privacy and anonymity, but it's also known for illegal marketplaces and cybercrime. As a beginner, you do not need to explore the dark web. Curiosity without knowledge can be dangerous. Now here's the most important lesson from this video. Cybersecurity is not just for hackers. It's for students, gamers, creators, businesses, everyone using the internet. Because today, our entire lives exist online. Photos, messages, banking, social media, and personal memories. One mistake online can create serious problems. So let's quickly summarize how to stay safe online. Use strong, unique passwords. Actor authentication. Never click suspicious links. Avoid cracked software. Verify websites carefully. Avoid random public Wi-Fi. Keep devices updated. And always think before trusting anything online. Because hackers don't always hack computers. Sometimes they hack human behavior. This is my cybersecurity journey at 17. I'm learning cybersecurity step by step and sharing everything I learn with you. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me on this cybersecurity journey. See you in the next video.